Do you know where the library is? Do you have any idea where Andhra Bank is? Please tell me where the post office is. Any idea where the market is? Would you mind telling me where the high school is?
Yeah, without looking at the slide, try to remember all those 9 expressions.
Okay, sir.
Without looking at the slide, please, can you please repeat all those 9 expressions? Try.
Okay,
Swati,
sir.
Swati, is it Swati?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please try.
Can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Hello, sir.
Yeah, I am listening.
Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you please tell me where the bus stop is? Would you tell me where the bus stop is? Do you know where the library is? Do you have any idea where the Andhra Bank is? Please tell me where the post office is. Any idea where the market is? Would you mind telling me where the St. St. High School is?
No, it is not ST, it is St. Anne's High School. St. Anne's. But you are reading from your notebook. I told you not to look at your notebook or slide. Without looking at it, I want those 9 expressions which I have underlined. Okay, you just can use all those expressions for the same thing. Can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Please tell me where the bus stop is. Could you please tell me where the bus stop is? Do you know where the bus stop is? Do you have any idea where the bus stop is? Please tell me where the bus stop is. Any idea where the bus stop is? Would you mind telling me where the bus stop is? For the same expression, for the same sentence, for the same thing, use all those expressions without looking into your notebook or without looking into the slide.
So shall I say so once again? Can anyone tell me where the bus stop is? Can you tell me where the bus stop is? Can you please tell me where the bus stop is? Could you tell me where the bus stop is? Do you know where the bus stop is? Do you have any idea where the bus stop is? Please tell me where the bus stop is. Any idea where the bus stop is? Would you mind telling me where the bus stop is?
So now you have given all the sentences without looking at the slide and your notebook, Swati?
Yes, sir.
Right, very good. Then you have a good memory. This one also we completed in the last class. And the second thing we began and the time was up. You have to visit a friend who is in hospital, ask a person at the bus stop how to reach the hospital. Now only 48 have joined. What is the problem? Everybody has to join. Only 48 are there in the class. What is the reason? I am going to put it on WhatsApp. Why only 48 have joined? 49. Please join the class. Now there are only 49. Everybody has to join. Please. You don't know whether you are going to have classes or not. I mean, offline classes. We don't know. We have to make complete utilization of online classes. It seems you are relaxing. Do you happen to speak with your friends? Tanmayi, Pranaya, Swati, Dharani, Prajanti,
Yes, sir.
Pooja, Yasmin, Manga. Are you in touch with your friends?
No, sir. I'm
Yes,
touch
sir,
with
we are in
Namata.
touch.
Yeah, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
be in
Yes,
touch.
sir, we are.
You have to be in touch with your friends. You have to talk about subject because you are in a relaxed manner attending classes. Every day you are not attending. Now only 53 are there, 52 are there. Only 52 are there now. See, out of 94, 53 is a bad strength. Jyoti, Harini, Kaveri, are you in touch with your friends?
Yes, sir.
You must be talking to your friends and you have to tell them.
Yes,
You have to please tell all the friends to attend classes regularly. Master was also saying that the strength has weakened. Please attend. Please take it seriously. The situation is very tight. Now you have to be a friend who is in hospital. Ask a person at the bus stop how to reach the hospital. Write this one immediately, or if you can speak, speak. Ask a person at the bus stop how to reach the hospital. This is another activity, and these are the activity. This next one. Let us go to the next slide because you are not responding. Have you? Are you writing? Yes, Akshita, Pujita. Are you doing the activity? Bindu. Have you just switched on your mobile phone and left the class? Abhinaya, Nabhyasri, Sarika, Amruta, Shweta, Ramya, Chaitanya, Maheshwari. You writing or not? You are not telling me.
We are writing.
Writing,
Okay.
sir.
Okay then. Okay then. Okay then.
Sir, we want to say only
Yeah,
one
only.
sentences
Yeah, only one sentence.
or all.
Only one
want to-
sentence. Only one sentence. See, when it is not given in the question clearly that you should write a dialogue, you can just write only one sentence. He has given the situation. You have to visit a friend who is in hospital. This is the situation. Ask a person at the bus stop. That means you are there at the bus stop. You want to go to hospital to see your friend. Okay. Now you have to ask that person at the bus stop how to reach the hospital. Just write one sentence, one or two sentences, asking that person about the address of hospital.
Can I say, sir?
Just 1 second.
మిస్ అవుతున్నాయంటే ఇంకోటి వేసి పెడతాను ఆగు.
Yeah. Somebody was speaking.
Yes, sir. Pushpa, sir.
Yeah, Pushpa.
Do you know where the hospital is?
Yes.
Please tell me the
Hmm.
where the hospital is.
Yeah. Now, see, the entire situation has been given. So you have to tell all those things also. Because what did he say? You have to visit a friend who is in hospital. You have to ask a person at the bus stop. You are meeting, you met a person. Can you please tell me where the hospital is? I have to visit my friend there. So you have to mention that one also. Can you please tell me? Could you please tell me, or would you mind telling me where the hospital is? Because I have to visit my friend there. I have to visit my friend who is in hospital. That information, as that information is given here, you have to speak about that. See, this one is given, no? This information, you have to visit a friend who is in hospital. This information is given. You cannot just neglect that information and just say, can you please show me the way to hospital? No, you have to use this sentence also. Have I highlighted that? Can you see that it is highlighted, this sentence?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that one also you have to mention because
Sir,
it is there in the
one
question.
shall I?
Yeah, now can you please tell me one more sentence? Requesting. Hmm.
Do you know where the hospital?
Yeah,
Can you tell me where the hospital is? As my friend is in the hospital.
yeah. Can you please tell me where the hospital is? Because I want to visit my friend who is in hospital. Okay. So what I mean to say
Yes, sir.
you cannot neglect any detail which is given in the question. Okay. Now you can, let us go to the next slide and see how some more expressions are used. You can use the following words when you are giving directions. Now about giving directions. So far we have been asking directions. Now when you give directions, you have to use these expressions. Go straight, next to, turn left, turn right, near, go along, opposite, walk across, in front of, walk past, between, you will find, behind, on, at, on the corner, at the corner, around the corner, on the left, on the right. These are the expressions which can be used while giving directions. Okay. Go straight, take the first right. For example, go straight, take the first right, walk past the school for a few minutes, and you will find the bookshop on your left. Now frame a question for this. Can you read?
Please tell me
Can you please?
address of
Can you please?
bookshop?
Yeah, yeah, you're right. Please repeat.
Can you please tell me the way for bookshop?
Correct. Can you please tell me where the bookshop is? So this is asking for direction. Now here we are giving direction. How are we being using the expressions given on this slide? Go straight, take the first right, walk past the school. That means you have to pass the school. You have to go over the school. You have to cross the school for a few minutes. For a few minutes, he's giving clearly. And you will find the bookshop on your left. Okay, this is given as an example. Now, do this. Write it in your notebook and then tell me. Give directions from your home to college. First write and then read. You want to see the previous slide? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You can note down. You can note down these expressions.
Pass the Badangpet command for a few minutes, and you will find again one more command. After that, Government Polytechnic for Women and Minorities, the college will be there.
Okay, right. One more person. One more person. I want one more person. See, in fact, everybody can give direction from your home to college because all of you stay at different places, right? Yeah, now Kaveri. Kaveri is there? Kaveri? I can see Kaveri here, but she's not speaking. You are not there, Kaveri? Pujita? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yes, sir, we can.
I want to one or two more persons to give direction from your home to college. See, it is a very simple question. This will come. One question will come from this lesson. Nikita? I don't understand why you people have become dull. Nobody is responding. Pavani, Maithili, Sneha, Grishma, give direction to college from your home.
Sir, Tanmay, sir.
Yeah.
Go straight, take the second left, walk across the crossroads for a few minutes, and you will find the college on your left.
Right, it's very near. Where is your?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next,
In Badangpet only, sir.
in Badangpet only, right. Okay. Next. Now give directions from your college to bus station. Quickly. I think now you need not even write, you can directly speak. See, these are the expressions we have to use. Hope you remember this. Have you noted down these expressions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
you give directions from your college to bus station. I want at least 2 or 3 students to speak.
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, only Swati. All others are not there in the class. All the others are not there. Yes, I can see Dharani, Sarika, Shweta, Ramya. Sneha, Maithili, Pavani,
Sir.
Akhila. Yeah. Who is going to speak?
Harini, sir.
Yeah, Dharani, speak.
Harini, sir.
Yeah, who?
Harini, sir.
Unable to hear you.
Harini.
Harini,
Harini,
yeah.
sir.
Harini, speak.
From the college, come along the road. Then the first left, you find the bus stop.
See, give directions from your college to Imliban bus station. I will change the question. It is not a bus stop. It is not bus stop. It is bus station. Sikindrabad bus station. Sikindrabad bus station. Do you know Jubilee bus station? Or at least Hayatnagar bus station?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give directions to Hayatnagar bus station. From your college to Hayatnagar bus station. I have not asked to tell you about the bus stop. Hayatnagar bus station. Yes. See, day after, on Thursday, on Friday, you are going to write a test. I see most of you inactive, very inactive. Most of you are not speaking. Particularly today, what happened? What happened? Why are you not speaking? Give directions from your college to bus station. You can start here your journey. Who is giving directions from college to bus station? Take any bus
Sir,
station.
I'm Swati. Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Swati. So except Swati, nobody is attending classes. Nobody is attentive. All the others have just switched on the mobile phones and taking rest. Yes, Swati.
Sir, we
Then
don't
Midani
know
Depot is
bus
also known
stations,
as
sir.
Midani Station.
Which bus station do you know? You don't know any bus station in Hyderabad? Not just in Hyderabad.
No, sir, I don't know directions.
You don't know directions. So which directions can you give? Tell me. Give directions between from one place to another. You select both the places. Now
Sir,
have
I want to say the my nearby my home bus stop to college, sir.
Okay, right then. Right.
Go straight. You can see the bus stop.
Hmm.
Next, you go straight and take left. First left.
Hmm.
Next, go straight. You can see the villages.
Hmm.
One is Kurmalguda and next is Nadargul.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Hmm.
After the Nadargul, you take left.
Hmm.
First left.
Hmm.
You cross the Gandhinagar.
Hmm.
And you can see the bus stop, Gandhinagar bus stop. After the you can see the college on your left side.
Right. Very good, Pushpa.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next.
Sir, you said about assignment, no, sir?
Yeah. Assignment. Yeah. Tell me which assignment I gave you.
Invite your seniors to attend a farewell party. One question, sir. And second question,
Yeah.
extend an invitation to a local celebrity to guest of honor for your college.
Okay, two questions.
Annual day function.
Invite a guest of honor for annual day function and invite your seniors to attend farewell party. These were the two questions, right?
Yes.
Now, I hope all of you have written. Can you submit on Google? Last time, a couple of months back, we did that, right? You remember? Now you have been doing that for maths assignment.
Yes, sir.
Can you do it the same way?
Yes, sir. We can.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, please submit there. I will check. Right. Let us go to the. These are some more questions which can be asked. Give directions from your home to park or park to home. See, you must know at least one bus station. You can't say you don't know any bus station. That there is every possibility of that question coming in your exam. Give directions from your college to bus station or bus station to college. This question may come. If this question comes, what will you do? Can you write, I don't know any bus station? Somebody was saying just now. So don't say that. You must know directions from one bus station to college or to any place. Okay. Now give directions from your home to the park. Give directions from your college building to your hostel. Can you do this? Everybody
yes, sir.
Yeah, please. No, not Swati. Not Swati. Swati is speaking a lot. Most of you are not speaking. Yeah, Tanmay, you are going to speak. Tanmay, it seems Tanmay is ready. Tanmay has unmuted herself. Yeah, what happened? Yasmin? Yasmin is there? Yasmin, can you please respond? Kaveri is there. She has unmuted herself. Shirisa also has unmuted. No, not unmuted. See, if you do not respond like this, I will ask you to switch on your video. I want to see everyone on video from tomorrow. If you respond,
Sir, Chaitanya, sir.
yeah,
Chaitanya, sir.
Chaitanya, speak.
College building to hostel.
Yeah.
Go straight and take a left side. Walk a few seconds and you find the college hostel.
Yeah, but should I go to the back side or should I go to the front side? Where? Left side, right side?
Back side.
Yeah. We have to tell
Back
that
side.
clearly.
Okay,
Go to
sir.
the back side of college.
Go to the back side of the college.
Hmm.
First, go straight
Hmm.
and take left side. Back
Take
side.
left or right?
Left, sir.
Okay.
And walk few seconds
Hmm.
and find the college hostel.
Okay, okay, right. Good effort. Good effort. Now there are very,
Sir, Amrita, sir.
yeah, speak.
Sir, when we enter into the college building,
Go directions.
go straight and take left and go straight. We can see the college hostel.
Sir,
Sir, can I say, sir? Give direction.
Yeah, yeah.
Go walk for few minutes and take left. Walk few minutes. There we will find opposite state municipal corporation
Hmm.
and go straight from municipal corporation. There we will minutes. There we
Your voice is breaking. 28.
spark.
sir, can I say, sir? Home to park.
Yeah, who? Pranaya?
Pranaya, sir.
Yeah, speak.
Go straight and take the last left. From there, take right and walk for few minutes. There you will find the Sarnagar Lake, and from there take left side and you will find the gate of the park.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, Tanmay, sir, can I
Yeah,
say?
Tanmay.
Directions from home to park, sir.
Hmm.
Go straight,
Hmm.
take first right and walk straight. Then take second left, keep on walking straight and take right. You will find the crossroad. Then go straight towards the statue. Then you will find the park on the right side.
Right, very good. I was going to tell you that you have to give landmarks. You forgot that. Landmarks also have to be given. Give as many landmarks as
Sir,
possible.
Sir,
Landmarks,
Grishma,
very
sir.
important. Yeah,
So
yeah.
go straight, turn left on the end of the street, walk straight for 5 minutes. There you can see a stationery. On opposite to it, turn left on a street, walk straight for 15 minutes. There you will see a pharmacy.
Hmm.
Go behind it. There you can see the gate of the park.
Okay, right, good. And remember, one more time I'm telling you, give as many landmarks as possible. Important places, school or park or as you said, stationery, or as somebody said, statue, Ambedkar statue, or super theater, okay, or bus stop, whatever. So give as many landmarks as possible so that it would be easy for the person to find the address, find the location of the place. Okay. While giving directions, we have to keep that in mind. And yes, this way we can practice as many as possible, giving directions and asking for directions. So whatever we may do, but we have to begin the sentences with verbs while giving directions. Go. Yeah, this is the verb we have been using. Go straight, turn left. See? Use popular or visible landmarks as references when you give directions. This is a very important thing. See, everybody understands. People may not know. Vamshi Krishna stationery, you may say, but people may not know that stationery is such things. A petrol pump, petrol bunk, or theater, or statue, or temple, or church, or masjid, or dargah, or bus station, or bus stop. These are important landmarks. So you have to give as many visible important landmarks as possible as references. Okay, this is a very important thing you have to remember. And then use simple and short sentences. Always use simple and short. Go straight, full stop. Turn left, full stop. Walk past the government school, full stop. Walk for a few minutes, and then turn, take second right turn, full stop. Walk for 100 yards, full stop. So simple and short sentences have to be used. Not only for this, even in everyday conversations, using simple sentences is very important. Simple words, simple sentences, and then see, this is the assignment. Please read, somebody read this assignment. You have to do this. Actually, these are the assignments I have taken from the textbook. It may not be possible. Yeah, you can do at home. You can do it home. This assignment you have to do and submit online.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please read. If you want, you can note down, or if you want, you can take a screenshot.
Draw a sketch of the area around your house with as many landmarks
Draw
as
a
possible.
sketch of the
Write a
area
note
around your house
directions
with
to reach
as
your house.
many
Suggest a
landmarks
reasonable
as
method of transport.
possible. Now
You
write
are in
in
lecture hall.
notes.
Your friend who has come for the first time to your institute is at the main entrance. Give him or her directions to go to the different places mentioned in the box below based on the layout of the polytechnic, principal's room, English lab, lecturer hall to office, playground.
Yeah. See, you have to give directions to principal's room, English lab,